Yo, what's poppin' YouTube? It's your boy Q the Flu, Q the Influencer. And welcome to Flu Gang TV, where we review the hottest sneakers, clothes, events, anything that's popping in this sneaker culture, this fashion culture. Your boy gonna let y'all in on the insides of it, happening right here in Chicago, baby. You know what I'm saying? So, if you like sneakers, you like fashion, you like dope shit, dope events, this is the channel for you, man. You new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. You know what I'm saying? Watch a couple of videos, comment, get in that comment section. I definitely respond and interact with, the subscribers, man. If you returning to the channel, man, thank you for all the support that you've shown over the course of this 2018, man. I started this channel, for real, March of this year, man, and we've grown, to a space that I didn't even think we would grow to. So I appreciate all the current subscribers, all your support throughout the year. We're gonna do bigger things in 2019, man. Giveaways, all that, man. Show love to the people that show love to you. That's what I'm all about, man. So we're gonna keep this thing rocking. Again, for all the new people, stopping by the channel, man, don't be afraid to hit that subscribe button. Like videos that you like seeing. And, get at your boy in that comment section, man. All of my social media information is in the, in the tag, the header, the bio, all over the channel, man. So don't be afraid to go ahead and, interact with your boy, follow your boy on the social media, Twitter, Instagram as well, man. Again, welcome to the Flu Gang family. It's your boy Q the Flu, Q the Influencer. And you already know how we rocking around here. Gang. Yo.
This Chicago.